Quantum physics is a branch of physics that studies the behavior of very small particles, such as atoms and subatomic particles like electrons and photons. It's a mind-bending field that challenges our classical understanding of how the world works and has led to some revolutionary discoveries that have changed the way we think about the universe. One of the fundamental concepts of quantum physics is the idea of superposition. According to quantum theory, particles like electrons can exist in multiple states at once, kind of like a Schrödinger's cat being both alive and dead at the same time. It's a concept that's hard to wrap our heads around. But it has been experimentally verified and has important implications for technology, such as quantum computing and cryptography. Another mind-bending experiment that demonstrates the weirdness of quantum physics is the double-slit experiment. Imagine shooting particles, like electrons, through two slits onto a screen behind it. Classical physics would predict that we would see two lines on the screen corresponding to the two slits, but in reality, something strange happens when particles are shot through the double slits. They behave like waves and create an interference pattern on the screen, indicating that they went through both slits at the same time and interfered with themselves. This phenomenon is known as wave-particle duality. And it's a central concept in quantum physics that shows how particles can exhibit both wave-like and particle-like behavior depending on how they are observed. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of quantum physics is quantum entanglement. It's a phenomenon where particles become linked in such a way that their properties are correlated, no matter how far apart they are. It's as if they are mysteriously connected, and changes in the properties of one particle instantaneously affect the properties of the other, even if they are light-years apart. This phenomenon has been described as spooky action at a distance by Einstein, and it's still a topic of ongoing research and debate among scientists. Quantum physics also has practical applications. For example, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize computing by harnessing the unique properties of quantum particles to perform calculations that are currently impossible with classical computers. Quantum cryptography, on the other hand, uses the principles of quantum physics to create secure communication channels that are virtually unhackable. But wait, there's more. The uncertainty principle is another mind-bending concept in quantum physics. It states that there are limits to how precisely we can know certain properties of particles, such as their position and momentum. At the same time, the more precisely we know one property, the less precisely we can know the other. This principle challenges our classical intuition that everything has a definite position and momentum and highlights the inherent probabilistic nature of the quantum world. Quantum physics has also led to the development of new technologies, such as quantum sensors, quantum communication systems, and quantum imaging devices, that have the potential to revolutionize various fields, including medicine, telecommunications, and imaging. And here's something straight out of science fiction: quantum teleportation. It's a process where the quantum state of one particle is transferred to another particle instantaneously, without any physical connection between them. While it's not exactly like the teleportation we see in movies, it's a real phenomenon that has been achieved in laboratories and has the potential for applications in secure communication and quantum computing. In conclusion, quantum physics is a fascinating and mind-bending field that challenges our classical understanding of how the world works. It's a realm of particles that can exist in multiple states at once, exhibit wave-particle duality, become entangled across vast distances, and follow the uncertainty principle. It has practical applications in areas like computing, communication, and imaging, and has the potential to revolutionize various industries in the future.